What is up, YouTube? This is Nick. Long time no post. Sorry, been super busy with life and haven't been prioritizing creating content for you all. So what we have got going on today, driving in the 2020 f-250 Godzilla. We are headed to the dealership. Not to buy something new, to get work done on this. So soon after buying this, I bought this truck with about 30,000 miles on it. I've got about 48,000. Started experiencing a little bit different stuff with shifting. So because it has the 7.3, it's got the 10-speed transmission. My symptoms were shifting at a light acceleration, it'll skip gears. So from second to fourth, the truck would fall on its nose for a second or a fraction of a second, just like no throttle, no shift, no nothing. You could see on the display that it would complete the shift, but then you wouldn't have any throttle response. So that was, I don't know, I wouldn't say concerning, just different. The other symptom that I had was downshifting from 6th to 5th, going down a steep hill. We live in an area, I'll show you here. Everything's up or down here. Grade, steep hill, downshifting from 6th to 5th, decelerating, not using my brakes. I'd get a really hard shift from that 6th to 5th. These 10 speeds are so smooth, you don't even really feel them shift. I don't much anyways, but that 6th to 5th was noticeable. So took it up to the dealership. I think it was for my mirror. My driver's side mirror wouldn't fold in and fold out the same speed that the passenger would. So I was just talking to the service writer. Was like, hey, the truck does this. What do you know? It's not a big deal, but just didn't know if there was something out there maybe I should look for. There's a TSB, technician or technical service bulletin for it, and the TSB requires them first to do a relearn on the transmission. They performed that. My truck was good for about a month. 1,000 or so miles, and then it started doing the same thing with the shifting. So got a hold of the dealership. They're like, yeah, next step that Ford wants us to do is to put a new valve body in. So got a new valve body in last week. Today's Monday the 17th, so that would have been Thursday of last week. Picked it up. It's hotter than heck where we live, so driving home, AC on, windows up. These trucks are really quiet. Didn't notice anything. And then I'm driving it around this weekend, and it is way worse than what it was. So in first gear, I've got like this transmission whine, kind of what I would, the noise is similar to like a throwout bearing going bad in a manual. And then some really erratic, hard shifts and kind of delayed shifts. Far worse than what it was before. Like if this was the symptoms I was having to begin with, I'd be concerned, right? I mean, that would be an issue to me. So, get my thumb out of the way here. So anyway, I'll let you see if you can hear it. I got the windows down. It's kind of noisy here. We're heading up to drop it off at the dealership again. So called them the day after I picked it up and was like, hey, this isn't right. What's going on? And they said, yeah, next step is a whole new transmission. And he said, I knew it wasn't going to fix it. Never has with any of the 10 speeds that we've done this to, but that's the way Ford wants us to go. So before this was done, before the new valve body, I would have felt comfortable driving it across the country. I would have felt comfortable towing our camper, which we did, no problems at all. With the way it is right now, I don't feel comfortable with it at all. So let me see if you can hear it. You can't hear it, too much noise, but it's got a really loud whine in first gear, and then it sounds almost like a heat shield rubbing up against the exhaust. I checked it, it's not. So anyway, I'm headed up to the Ford dealership, Just Ford of Pullman, Washington. They're gonna run their diagnostics on it, showing the shifting erratic, patterns and all this BS and get me a transmission. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Hope everybody's having a wonderful summer. Peace out.